So I want to say thank you to the library staff that's here today. It really is a great day in Jersey City today. This is the first new library that we've opened in decades. It's been a long time since the city has invested like this in public libraries, and we're very proud of what you see over here. We're not talking about a renovation, we're talking about a real new location with state-of-the-art technology and a growth in infrastructure. On the infrastructure front, I do want to give the two people to my left a lot of credit. You know, last week we opened the reservoir, a brand new park that was now open to the public. Big renovation project. A week before that, the police training de-escalation center in Ward A, a huge infrastructure project. A couple weeks before that, a new senior center in the Heights, first one of those in decades. And it's exciting times that we're building things that people will use and just make the city brighter and brighter and brighter for decades to come. So thank you to all of you guys for doing this, and thank you for being here. It really is a special day in Jersey City.
I'm really proud of this library because this library is in a location that at one time was not thriving. But now it's starting to pick up and it's starting to thrive. And to me, that's important because the children that are in this area who did not have benefits of having good books and things like that, now that they do. And I want to thank the partnership. So often, you know, being in this council seat, there's a lot of amenities that the public want. And sometimes we don't understand the deals that you have to make sure the public gets exactly what they want. Sometimes we are beat on. And last night was a perfect night to see us get whipped on. And I gotta say, because you know, it is a lot of emotions going back and forth because everybody's passionate about what they want to see in this city. But I want you to really have a clear understanding of this. You have one of the best councils ever. We can disagree, but our bottom line is to make sure the residents of the city of Jersey City are served. I thank the staff. You know, we have an awesome staff in this city. The things that they do, the ideas that they come up with, and the people that we partner with, we get it done. So today is a good day. This is a great day because I see the kids in this city, this area especially, have a high-tech library, and that's what's needed in this day in technology. So let's celebrate, let's remember this day, and remember there's more to come because it's really not about us personally, but it's really about our future. And the children are our future, so we need to pave a way for them to make sure they have the best ever so they can be competitive in the market that's out there. Thank you and God bless.